taken to a secret location deep in a forest. Access to the brigade's headquarters is heavily restricted, and as we enter their bunker, we head deep underground. Inside, it's a labyrinth of screens and monitors, reflecting what this war has become. It's now a conflict of microchips and mud, a place where drones circle their prey and men do anything to survive. The commander shows us what's left of